With over 40 years of construction, fabrication, engineering, and project managing services in its belt, Aboitiz Construction is one of the most trusted names in the industry. Still, it continues to improve itself with a new contract with the Japanese company JGC Corporation last July 20, 2018.
Actually, we're a general engineering contractor. We do engineering and design. Our specialization is marine works. We even do shipbuilding, power plants, petrochemical plants, industrial plants, the whole works. But in the past, Metafill was known only for fabrication. But actually, we've been doing a lot of construction works. Our concentration now is on power plants and petrochemical plants, and most of our projects are with the Japanese.
Yeah, JGC is one of the international EPC contractor. So main field of the business is the power plant, and then LNG plant, and then the building the chemical plant, and then all the type of the industrial plant. So we are working with the Aboitiz Construction since more than 15 years ago. And our relation with the Aboitiz Construction is so good.
Well, this is a coal-fired power plant project we're doing together with Japan Gas as their major subcontractor. It's in Sarangani. And, well, it's a very good project for us.
Other than the contract signing, JGC Corporation also awarded Aboitiz Construction with a Safety Excellence Award for their construction project in Maasim, Sarangani.
For one, the award shows that we've consistently been practicing safety in our workplace, and that means ensuring that our workers go home every day safe. And this is not the first time we've been awarded, but this award tonight is very special for us because it's a recognition of JGC Corporation as one of their best contractors worldwide, one of the 6, and the only in the Philippines.
JGC Corporation 2018 Safety Contractor of the Year is hereby presented to Aboitiz Construction Incorporated in recognition of their achievement of 1.5 million man-hours without lost time injury. This was recorded last May 2017 up to March 2018 during the construction of Sarangani Energy Phase 2 project located in Maasim, Sarangani, Philippines.
This is another landmark or milestone project for Aboitiz Construction, and we hope that we will continue to have more projects like this, maybe not only in power plants, but even for oil and gas petrochemical plants where JGC is involved.
Aboitiz Construction will continue to impart quality service to both its local and international clients, all the while ensuring the safety of their workers. This has been Raya de Guzman for MyTV Cebu.